Okay, so now you're opening this up so we can put it around the pipe. You need that chain is about as tight as you can get it so you can make that thing work.
Okay.
Okay, so it's locked in there.
Okay, it's supposed to be locked in there.
Yeah, it just fits into those two little clips, and then just turn that little knob with your finger to tighten it back up. The one you untightened it with.
Right.
Now you're going to turn it the other way to tighten
Okay.
it. You're going around a 4-inch cast iron. You're hooking up the soil pipe cutter. This is what this is called.
Swell pipe?
Soil pipe.
Soil pipe.
Yeah, like, you know, you soiled your pants type of thing.
Right.
Yeah. You know, he keeps pulling the soil pipe cutter, and he'll pull it, and we'll hear a nice popping sound. And when we hear that popping sound, we'll know it's been cut. Right now, that popping sound we hear is my tool not working like it's supposed to. Not catching.
It gets nervous because of the audience.
Yeah, the audience is a bad thing here. There we go.
That's us.
Just cut. Yeehaw. Now this one, when you do it, it'll have a little bit louder pop to it because of just the resonant sound of the pipe.
Okay.
It shouldn't be too bad. I don't want to make it sound like shrapnel's flying. It just makes nice little popping sound. There's your pop. Take one more spin on it here. Let's just make sure we got it here.
Okay.
That should be it, though. Yeah, that was it. Okay, that was it.
If we keep going.
Glue on the end of the ABS pipe. Go ahead and you wrap it. Wipe it on. Then you go ahead and you do the fitting. Slow and consistent. Make sure it's covered. Then you stick the two pieces of pipe together. And you seat them properly. Pushes the pipe together. You turn it a quarter turn, sliding to make sure you hold it momentarily until it seats. He can let go, and now he's going to wipe the joints with his applicator. The reason you're wiping the joints is to make sure there's no air bubbles on the outside surface, specifically on the bottom. Typically you would do a water test and make sure these fittings don't leak before you bury the line. Go ahead, wipe the joint. Put your glue on the end. Usually takes two people to do 4-inch pipe. Here we have a master plumber putting application of glue on. His helper. This helper laughs at all his jokes and pushes the pipe together. You have to make sure it's seated on a 4-inch pipe. Push, push.
Yeah, we're in.
Okay.
We're in? Yeah.
Coupling on. A no hub coupling or Fernco fitting.
Pick it up a little bit. Yeah.
He's going to shove this on, make sure it bottoms out. It does.
Yes.
He's going to put his, he's going to tie this, screw this on. They actually make a special torque wrench to tighten these to 60 pounds.
Wow.